morning, it's Christine from Periwinkle Planner Co. And I'm going to plan today in my Skinny Classic. Now this doesn't start until July, so we still have one more month. So these are just pages that I have made, and that's what I'm going to decorate in. There's nothing you can really do until July starts in order to have pages, unless you wanted to use some of these and redate them. Possibility too. But for now, I'm just going to use the ones that I made. And this can be for any date because they only had the days of the week on them and the 2022 up here, and then you choose the month there. So I pulled out Colorful Florals and Live Creatively. I'm hoping there's boxes in here that will go with this one if I don't have enough boxes. And so we are just going to open up and start planning. I have used quite a few stickers in this book, but there's got to be some left, right? So I think the first thing I want to do is find a sticker that I'd like to jump off from to get an idea of what kind of colors I want. Kind of like this one. Let's see what else we've got. Anything interesting in here? Nothing like really that just jumps out at me. There's some more of these back here. Could use one of those instead and make it a little bit brighter. So we do that. Oop, there's even more of them. A lot of these long ones. You know what? A color I don't usually use, yellow. So let's do that. Let's be different this week and use something I don't usually use. And I think I'm going to stick this over on the right. I feel like I'm kind of cramped here with space and do some stuff. No, that might not be good either. Maybe I have to move this one. Okay. Here we go. Hopefully I'm in frame. Let me just check that real quick. Yes. Okay. So what I was starting to say is I'm going to stick this on the right and kind of make it a running to-do list of things that I need to get done this week. And then that leaves the left side open for events and things, appointments that I know are happening. So I'm going to put this way down here. So it's kind of equal distance between these first 3 days. And that way it can go for all 3 of those days. Plus we'll put some type of header, I think, up there. So since we are using this yellow, I just saw this focus on wellness, and I think that I'm going to put that, maybe we could make it popping out from my habit tracker down here. Just kind of cut that off so that we can make it look like it's coming from here. So for this week, that's what I will be focusing on, is my wellness. Should I put it way over here? I'll do that. Put it right here. Right there, coming up from that line. Okay. So let's go back and see what else we have for yellow first, and then we'll pull in some of these other colors. Not too much yellow in here. Beautiful day. It's a little bit different yellow. Here's a nice box. Let's bring this one over here somewhere. Kind of thinking up on Friday. Let's just go up a little higher. And maybe we'll stick it in the middle and I can use some flowers behind it. Really don't want to waste this side over here, you know. But what can we do? If we stick it this way. Yeah, let's just go way over here. Let's just even go way up here. A little different. I'm going to leave it up though, because maybe, nah, I think if I put anything on it, it will be over here. So let's just do it like that. All right, so we have 3 yellow stickers. And maybe that will be all the yellow we need, because that is a lot of yellow. Oh, but yeah, we do have this one too. I could use this one to go off of that one. Or down here. what if I put it way down here? Trying to line it up with my lines. Okay. Now, of course, this layout's a little bit different because it has the, what am I saying? The days of the week, and then it would be the dates on the left side. Okay, got it all dated. They are kind of big, but it gives some interest. So let's like stop with the yellow now and find some other stickers because that is a lot of yellow. What else can we add in here? What else do we have? I was thinking, should we pull this blue in? Or some lime green in? Or some orange in? So we do the orange. Maybe stick this on here. Something going on Thursday. Put a little noted in there. If we could stick up maybe a flower in there, that'd be kind of cute. We could stick some black and white flowers in here to break that up a bit. So do we put them behind it or on top? Put them behind it. Maybe we can go all the way up into here. There we go. Since we have them here, then we're putting some there. Kind of like that. We might come back and put some more over here. Could, or do it right now. Since we're here, right? Let's do that. Get this one. Instead of sticking it behind it, because I know we can use that one somewhere else. I'm almost thinking, why don't we put this one, well, or could it work on here? It's kind of like it's cut off. Maybe we can match it up a little bit. What does that like? Match that up to that. To cut some off there. And then this one I was going to use here. Okay. Let's cut this off. About here. Kind of goes a little beyond. Looks kind of fun. Do a little trimming with the scissors. Hopefully that worked. Yep. And then a little trim on the end. Okay. All right. So that gives us a little bit different dimension in there. What else can we add? We have this, but I kind of like this, but I think what I want to do with this is bring this up here and then maybe cut it off so it's like a flag instead. So what if we line this first line up? Thinking of lining it like up here, but it's going to cover the D, but does that really matter? Not really, right? Could always put like maybe a long box there to cover that. I don't know if I like it all in a row here, so maybe we won't do that. But we could go over this way and then just, like I said, use a box to kind of put June in there. Let's put it right here. Oh, then how do we write for Monday? That is a good question. You know what? We're going to try it. We're going to be different. And this we could actually use up here to write June. Why not? Or I could use those numbers again and just white this out. Let's put this here. Let's try this. Let's white this part out. And then spell out June, since we already have the numbers. That'd be another thing to do. And then we're going to have to get some kind of bigger box for Monday because we're already taking away all of the space. So let's go back to these one thing at a time. Let's get June out of here. Where's the J's? All of our J's are green. J. Oops. U. And more colors. And then what about an E? A colorful E. Or pink. Okay. So put June right up here. Kind of big. Maybe we'll make it go up and off a little bit. Not perfectly straight, but that's okay. Right. Okay, I like that. Looks good. But like I said, Monday has just disappeared, so we need something to write in there. And that's where I'm going to go into this other book, because there aren't very many big stickers in that book, big back stickers. Let's see if I can find something in here that would work. And we have like this, but there isn't any purple. I want something like big and long, sort of. Well, these work good. But now these are almost too big to fit there. And these are too light of colors. We need some brighter colors. Oh, that a lot of that color. Should we try this one? I don't have two of those loft shucks. Hold on a minute. Let's see if we got another color here. Or yellow. We have this big yellow one though. Or maybe more of this orangish color. Let's try that and kind of. Oh, hello. Monday goes all the way down there. Why am I thinking I don't have any room for Monday? I do. Because I have this whole thing here. So I don't need this. Okay, sorry. I was looking wrong because of course how weird this layout is. What about like, I may need some kind of, like a checklist, huh? Maybe that's what I should do. I don't know if I like these either, because these obviously don't line up with the lines. Let's try turning it around. Oh, wait. Let's do this because maybe last one goes into Tuesday, but could keep it. I want to see if I can find some type of label for on top there. And then what do we have for another color? We're going to stick a pink one over here. We got front side here for Friday. You can just use it real close here. All right, that worked out right. Got some other strange boxes over here. I mean, I could put like, oh, here we go. Maybe. Got pink and we've got yellow. I really want to put pink on the, put an orange one up here. Again, I feel like I'm not in frame. Okay, does it fit over this way without interfering with the punches? I just don't want it lined up with that big long box. No more off like that. Okay. I'm going to try and find like some words and stuff. Put one of these for Sunday just to balance off some color too. Put this one on here. I could have went over this way too for that so it didn't take out of that way. Let's put this down here all the way over here. And we still have all this room over here. Okay. All right, so I guess we're bringing some gold in there. Here, doggy barking. Just to bring some of that gold down here. Why not? What else do we have here? Good vibes, gratitude, affirmations. We could put like gratitude in here on Sunday or Saturday. And then kind of draw like an arrow. Because that's where we'll put our gratitude up on Friday there. Yeah, I like that. Okay. This orange, I wanted to bring this orange kind of somewhere else. Bring that into here. Like that. Over there, and then I can write Happy Father's Day on here. So we have that. I think we're almost done because this little area is kind of gets crowded, you know. There's not any small little, what am I looking for, like bullet points or anything in here. I mean, where else could I put anything? Maybe here? You know, if I put that way, then it's going to cover, up June a little bit. If I were to do this, I kind of want to though, just give that a header. I don't know. We need some other kind of color over here then. Put this one over here. I'm thinking I want to just squeeze that in there. Okay, what else we got going on here? You can add one of these colored flowers on the bottom. I don't know, that might be pretty good, right? I could put something there, like a box right there, if we had something. And we do. Remember this, top priority. Unless we flip-flop the two, no. Should I just use this pink one? Today's focus for Wednesdays. The Wednesdays are the day we don't have anything to pay. Yeah. Gonna make this one go right here. That's the only thing, nothing's really defined here, because that goes into Tuesday. Maybe if I cut this off a little bit right above that bullet point. And then Wednesday you'd be writing in here. Tuesday you can do some here. And of course that. And then we have this room here still. See, if I had little bullet points, I keep saying that. And there's nothing to even like use for a little. And then something can be written there. Can do that. Since I have this flag here, that flag there. And can do that. Let's do orange. I mean, there is the orange there, but maybe this way. I need my tweezers. Ugh. There. I don't think that looks so bad. Okay, this looks pretty good. All kinds of noises coming in my window, but I do love the smell of lilacs coming in there. Oh, and then of course, you know, let's fill this out. We need to do water, medication, vitamins, email. That's good. Okay, I think we did good here. Let's put it back into here. So there we go, another week done in the Skinny Classic. And it looks really good. Nice and bright and fun and ready for summer. Until next time, bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to be notified every single time that we upload. Bye. We'll see you in the next one.